Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel at Samco Painting and Decorating. Before we go any further, please subscribe and give us a like if you want. Start a new project today. There's a bit of everything in it. So I'm gonna do this as a one whole project. There will be a bit of paint stripping, pressure cleaning, painting, gutters, fascias, downpipes, washing all the brick. So I'm gonna record this one like all in one, so you can see what's being done on this, of course with the before and afters, so you can see the difference.